Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and good at your home. So we were on chapter 8, reaching grandmother's house, in which we have read that after getting off from the train, Omana just went to Valyama's house by auto, as you can see in the picture, and after auto she has taken bus to reach the ferry. Here in the image you can see the bus. She had taken bus to reach the ferry. So this is ferry. Ferry is a boat or ship that convey people over a short distance. So you can see this ferry, the images of ferry. So at last Omana reached her grandmother's house. So now we have question answer on page number 62. So the first question is, Omana traveled by different kinds of transport after she got down from the train. Can you remember what these were? So the answer is, the transport were auto rickshaw, bus and ferry, which I have already shown you in the images. So the next question is, on which vehicles have you traveled? So the answer is, I have traveled by train, bus, auto rickshaw, tonga, bullock cart, boat, bicycle, scooter, car, taxi, ship, metro, aeroplane, etc. So students, you can also write your own answer if you have traveled in any of the vehicle. So the next question we have, which ride did you enjoy the most? And the answer is, I enjoyed the train ride the most because we can see cities, mountains and rivers from the seat. Okay, so you can also write this answer by your own if you enjoyed any of the ride. Next is, Omana left Ahmedabad on 16th May. How many hours did it take for her to reach Ammu Amma's place? So the answer is, Omana left Ahmedabad at 11:45 am on 16th May and reached Ammu Amma's place at 11:30 pm on 17th May. So it took 36 hours. So the next question we have you ever been on a long journey? Where did you go? So the answer is, I have been on a long journey which lasted more than 24 hours. I went from my hometown to Delhi. So this answer also you can write it by your own. So moving next, name the different kinds of transport that you use during the journey. So the answer is, I use auto rickshaw, train and taxi. So on the next page number 63, we have, how long did your journey take? And the answer is, my journey was more than 24 hours long. Next question is, Omana's appa bought tickets for the train and the bus. Can you think of other means of transport for which we need to buy tickets? And the answer is, we need to buy ticket for air journeys, steamers and for metro rail. So this is an aeroplane which we need to buy ticket. This is steamers. This is a type of boat or ship. And last we have metro train. Moving next, we have, sometimes we need to buy tickets to enter a place. Can you think of such places? And the answer is, we need to buy a ticket to enter cinema hall, circus, zoo, etc. So here are the images of, this is cinema hall, this is a zoo, and the last we have is circus. We need to buy ticket for all these places. So moving next, look at this picture of a railway ticket. Find the following information on the ticket and circle them with different color. So you have been provided with an image of ticket, so we have to collect information from this ticket. So first one is the train number. The train number is 9037. So here is the train number. Second is the date of the start of the journey. So the date of the start of the journey is 24/12/2006. Here it is the date of the start of the journey. Next, the berth number. The berth numbers are 21, 22 and 23. So here they are. Next, the fare, the cost of the ticket. The cost of the ticket is rupees 2578. So here is the cost of the ticket. So the last we have is distance in kilometers. So the distance in kilometer is 643. So here it is. So these are all the information in the ticket. So other than these, we can also find other information in the ticket. So write what other information you can find out from the ticket. So the first one is PNR number 8206449755. So here it is. So the next we have number of adults and number of children. So number of adults is 2 and number of children is 1. So here they are. Next class is 2AC. Here it is. Coach number A1. Here it is. Ticket from Bandra terminus. Here it is written. Ticket up to Ratlam junction. Here it is. Kilometer I have already told you. The ticket number is 68250918. So here it is. Moving next, we have boarding. Boarding time is 24/12/2006. Train name Awadh Express. Train departure time is 14:36. So these all are the other information which we can also see on the ticket. Moving next, the timetable of 6335 Nagarcoil Express is given here. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. So here you have been provided with the timetable of the train in which Omanah travels. Okay, so the first question is, circle the names of the stations in the table that are mentioned in Omanah's diary. So we have to circle the station name that Omanah mentioned in her diary. So what are these? First one is Gandhidham, Ahmedabad, Valsad, Madgaon, Udupi, Kozhikode, and the last her destination is Kottayam. So all these are the stations she has mentioned in her diary. So the next question is, from which station did the train start? And the answer is, the train started from Gandhidham. Next, how many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? And the answer is, train stopped for 20 minutes at Ahmedabad station. Next question we have, on which day of the journey did the train reach Madgaon? So the answer is, the train reached Madgaon on the second day. Next, Sunil and Ann got off at Kozhikode station. Omanah got off at Kottayam station. How many hours does it take for the train to reach from Kozhikode to Kottayam? So the answer is, the train takes 6 hours to reach from Kozhikode to Kottayam. So moving next, we have, what is the distance that the train travelled over the whole route? So the answer is, the train travels 2649 km over the whole route. Next is, how many kilometers does Omanah travel by train? And the answer is, Omanah traveled 2418 km by train. So here we have completed our chapter reaching grandmother's house. So thank you students. Be safe, be healthy.